Location of materials, understanding construction through locations of materials. We'll discuss typical locations of the DAS elements here. The first one is MDF room or DAS head end. So what is MDF? It is short for main distribution frame. If you have a data center in your building or the core of your building network are most likely located at the MDF room of the building. Signal source and DAS head end are typically located at the MDF room of the building. DAS electronics closest to the signal source are also commonly known as head end electronics. They may include DAS tray, radio interface units, converter and distributor. IDF rooms. So what is IDF? Independent distribution facility. In general, IDF connects internal lines to the MDF. Every floor usually have an IDF room. All remotes are typically located at different IDF closets of the building and connected to the head end assembly via fiber and fiber hub. Last but not least, antennas, couplers, and combiners, they are usually strategically placed throughout the building. DAS engineers find out through engineering analysis the number and locations of the antenna, as well as remotes and even the head end electronics. Let's look at the locations of the materials from another perspective. Here we are showing the cross-section of an office building. MDF for signal source and DAS head end electronics, those are usually on the first floor. And we have MDF and typically signal source and DAS head end electronics will be located at MDF. IDF for remotes. Every floor has an IDF closet, so the remotes are located at the IDF closet. Floor area for antennas. Antennas are located out on the office area, commonly in the ceiling tiles. Couplers and splitters will be installed based on where they are needed, and that can be in IDF or above ceiling tiles in the office area. Fiber run from MDF to IDF. Fiber will commonly go from DAS head end or MDF to each of the IDF closets where the remotes are located. Coaxial cable will run from IDF to antennas located out on the floor. So keep in mind that this is quite a generic and general rule. Depending on the building size, shape, and space available, these locations can easily change. But this should give you a general idea how it's all placed. Variations of these locations are quite common, but basic principle is same. At the risk of sounding goofy, here is a mnemonic key for remembering the three key areas. Mouse in floor, mouse in flower, MIF. So MDF, IDF, and the floor. These are the three main locations for all the DAS gears or elements.